Professor Liu is going to show you do another online tutorial program. It's called W3School. So you type W3School. Once you type W3Schools, and let's just go to online web tutorial. Click it. Um, you better be first if you want to log in. Once you log in, it's better, easier to find things. So I already log in. So I create a login account for myself. After I create login account myself, I should have my name here. So in the future, it's easier for you to submit. So now I am going to choose tutorial. Or later you have quiz exercise, but I'm going to choose tutorial. Once I choose tutorial, there are many tutorial program for us. So we're going to looking for programming. I am going to select Java programming. All right, so there are actually 53 lessons go with this semester. So we are taking a look at the first assignment. And the first assignment here will be ask you to do is from chapter 1 all the way to chapter 17. Alright, so we are going to do this as your chapter 6 W3 school assignment. I hope you know how to do it right now. Thank you.